Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by gathering tools and preparing the work area before removing sticker wallpaper. Collect a 3-inch putty knife, a plastic scraper, and a heat source such as a heat gun set near 200 degrees F. Fill a spray bottle with a solution of 1 part fabric softener to 3 parts warm water. Lay down a 6 ml plastic drop cloth over floors and move furniture out of the room. Open windows and run a fan for at least 10 minutes to ventilate the space. Work in 12 to 18-inch sections when softening sticker wallpaper for removal. Lightly score the wallpaper surface with a manual scorer to allow penetration of moisture. Apply heat at about 200 degrees F or spray the fabric softener solution and wait for about 2 minutes for the adhesive to loosen. Begin peeling at a corner using a 3-inch plastic scraper and pull at a 30 to 45 degree angle away from the wall. Reapply heat or solution if the paper resists. After peeling, remove remaining adhesive residue using warm water near 120 degrees F and a non-abrasive sponge. For stubborn glue, apply a paste of baking soda and water, let it sit for 5 minutes, then wipe clean. Inspect the wall for gouges and fill them with lightweight joint compound using a 6-inch knife. Allow the compound to dry fully, sand smooth with 120 grit sandpaper, and wipe dust away with a damp cloth. Prime the repaired surface with an acrylic primer, and wait 2 to 4 hours before painting or hanging new wallpaper.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.